Hey all buddies out there, this is me Nabiha and you're watching Kraft Hub. A very warm welcome to my journey of YouTube. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an amazing recipe. Today, we are preparing custard bread pudding. This is an amazing recipe because it's being prepared with the available ingredients and is a no-fail recipe. And if you want to check other videos of mine, I'm going to link them in the I button so you can check them as well. And now, let's take a look at the recipe.
The ingredients you require are milk. You need 200 ml, that is 1 cup of milk. You also need half cup sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and 3 slices of bread. Here you need to trim the edges of the bread and grind it well, and a 5 inches cake tin. Lastly, you need a steamer like this, as you can see. Well, inside the steamer I have placed a stand as well. Now you need to place a pan on low medium flame over a gas stove and add to it 1/4 cup of sugar. Now this 1/4 cup of sugar is out of the half cup of sugar. You need to caramelize it without adding water to it and then transfer it into the cake tin. Then you need to take the slices of bread, trim their sides using a knife, and do the same with all. Now you need to transfer them into a mixer grinder and grind them by getting a slightly coarse powder out of it, like this one. Nextly, you need to place a large utensil over a gas stove and add to it 200 ml of milk. Now add to it the 1/4 cup of leftover sugar and let it dissolve completely. And make sure you keep the flame low medium. Now to prepare the custard solution, take the cup of water and add to it 2 tablespoons of custard powder. And then to the milk, you need to start adding it gradually. Make sure you do not add the solution as a whole, or else it would become really thick. Gradually start adding the solution and then you are ready to add the bread powder. Now, once the batter starts to thicken, you need to slightly mix it, and then when the bubbles start appearing, our batter is ready. You need to transfer it into the cake tin and then tap it slightly. Now, make sure that you even the top really well so that no crumbs are overleft. Then cover it using aluminium foil, place it in the steamer and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes.
If you are a new visitor to my channel, then I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please hit a like on my videos and do subscribe. You can check the description box and the I button as well. Thanks for watching.